WLG World in conjunction with DJ A Media presents Wale Gates live in Just Joking 2013 on Sunday the 12th of May in a special night of laughter at the Broadway Theatre, Catford, London, SE6 4RU. Featuring all the way from Nigeria, Benga Adeyinka the First, Teju Babyface and Jeddy from the UK, Eddie Caddy and A. the comedian from the USA, Shay Brown, and the show's host, Wale Gates. Time 7 p.m. prompt. Tickets are from £20. Tickets will be available online or at all the listed outlets. For more information, please call the numbers on your screens or log on to walegates.com. Do remember, it's Wale Gates live in Just Joking 2013 on Sunday the 12th of May at the Catford Broadway Theatre. See you there. This event is supported by the listed organisations.